Hey everybody, so here we go. I want to show you using Adobe Spark Video, which is so super simple. It's a great way to create digital storytelling projects. So where you have the pictures that tell the stories, not necessarily just words. So actually I'm going to do it by, instead of starting a new one, which you could do just by clicking Create Project, and then you're going to create a video, and it'll pop up like this, and you'll get a title, an option to give yourself a title, and then you can go ahead if you want to. I'll skip this for now. You can choose templates. They've got a whole bunch of templates in here, and I'm going to move myself out of the way, where you can look at, it'll give you some ideas on how to formulate your video if you want to. Or you can just do a blank one. So I'll go to the skip, and if we look back here, you can click down here and click Start from Scratch. Right, but I said I'm not going to create a new one. And what I'm going to do instead, I want to show you, or I'm going to help edit a book I'm creating, or a video I'm creating to go inside of a book for my fourth grade son's classroom. So here we have on my dashboard, and this also helps to show you can edit your projects. I have a little video that I started here. So I click on my pencil to edit it. And if you notice, there's an invite button down below. You can add collaborators where you can have multiple people who contribute to a project. It's not as seamless and as quick as a Google Doc would be, but it's still pretty good. So this is kind of slow, but that's okay. And again, it'll give you some ideas here. But I'm going to get rid of this. So this is what your screen looks like. And you can preview your video at any time, this slide or the whole thing up here. Here's your preview. Once you're finished, you're going to share it. You can share it right to the web. You can publish it. You can invite other people to edit right here, just like you would with a Google Doc. All right, so let's take a look over here. This is your timeline down below. This is your media. And then you can notice here I have a record button. So let me show you what this one looks like here. I'll hit play, and it's just showing you how the slide progresses, right? So it's really simple. It is not a very hardy video editing software, but that's because it's not meant to be. You've got a couple options. You can have a full screen mode, right? So if I hit a new slide here, I'm going to hit slide. You can have it in full screen. You can have it split screen. You could put a caption. So you have like your image or whatever, and then the caption, or you can have just your title and exit, title and text. All right. When it comes time to add new things, right? So if you look in here, I have what I have here is a split screen, and I'm talking about World War II for the book they're reading. You can add video, or you can add photo. So if I look in here, if I add video as a media file, it's video that you've downloaded. All right, so this is the one you're going to embed something. So if you want to put a little piece of your own video in, you can. If you want to add pictures, you're going to click on pictures, and there's a couple different ways. You can upload your own picture file. You can find free photos, which this is great, just like it before. These will be Creative Commons licensed, so you can go through and you can use these, and then it'll give you a citation at the end. All right. You can connect to your own Google Photos or Google Drive or to a Google Dropbox. And it is really simple how you then go through and create this video. If you want to have any narration, if you look, you can change the duration of your slide, or what you can do is you can narrate. So just click record and then start speaking. And you notice as long as I'm holding this down, I don't let go until I'm done speaking. And then once I let go, the recording will stop. Watch, I'll let go now. That's it. And then you can listen to what you just said. And then start speaking. And you notice as long as I'm holding this down, I don't let go until I'm done speaking. And then once I let go, the recording will stop. Watch, I'll let go now. See, now, that's it. Real simple. If you don't like it, you want to record again, you just click it and start recording again. One of my tips, though, watch. Give yourself a second before you start recording, because if I just click record, I'll click it and I'll start talking right away. It doesn't automatically pick everything up. It takes some time to pick it up. Same thing with when you stop. If you just stop abruptly and then let go, it might not pick it all up. So let's listen to what happens. It doesn't automatically pick everything up. See how it didn't pick it all up. So give it a second. Start your recording. Now you see one and you start talking. Simple as that. So if you want to change the order of the media files you have, you can drag it around down here in your timeline. You can scroll throughout and you can see. And if you look, any pictures where you've added from here, they'll give you the credits for it. Pretty cool. So if you look up here, you can have changed out the layouts of your slides. You can change the theme of your entire video. Now this changes it all at once. All right, not if you can't do one slide at a time. You can change the theme. If you want to keep a theme but change the background color, you can do that, right? There's a whole host of options you can do here. You can resize your videos. So you can make it so it's widescreen by default or square, depending upon what devices you're going to use. I'm going to keep mine as square because of the book I'm putting it in. And then you can change the music types. Now, you can put music that they have. They have a limited library, or you can add your own music. I'll give you a tip. If you're going to add your own music, one of the things you might want to do is go to the YouTube Studio Editor, and there's a ton of free music there. And if you need help, let me know. But it's a pretty simple video editor. And again, when you're done, all you have to do is you can either share, publish it to the web, share it this way and publish it. You'll get a link, or you can download it. All right. So play around. Think about ways you can use this. There will be, and there are links to more detailed directions in the assignment. If you need any help as you create your videos, let me know.